Prevent screws or small parts from falling into the air conditioning unit during cleaning by establishing a disciplined parts control routine before you touch the system. Start by removing power at the breaker and give the unit a moment to discharge so you are not rushing while handling small hardware. Place a clean towel over the opening you are working on and tuck its edges under panels so it creates a soft barrier. This catches screws and filters debris without obstructing airflow when you reassemble. Use a magnetic tray or a small metal container anchored nearby to hold screws and ferrous fasteners. If you must work with non-magnetic hardware, use a shallow plastic container with a lid you can close between tasks. Keep a labeled compartment in your toolbox or a small resealable bag for tiny clips and washers and move them there immediately after removal. Count screws out loud as you remove them and write the total on a notepad or adhesive tape on the toolbox so you can confirm the same number is returned. Finally, work deliberately one panel at a time and set removed parts in the same order you took them off. So reassembly is logical and you reduce the chance of a stray fastener getting lost in the cabinet. The most common mistake is working without isolating the cavity, which lets parts fall into the unit and land on the blower or coils. Prevent that by covering openings with a towel or panel and by keeping the blower area oriented so gravity works against lost parts. A second frequent issue is relying on memory for fastener counts, which leads to leftover screws. Prevent that by counting out loud and recording counts on a scrap of paper or tape so you can verify before testing. Third, people sometimes place parts on unstable surfaces that slide or bounce. Prevent that by using a magnetic tray, a lidded container, or the toolbox compartment, and by keeping your workspace flat and uncluttered. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors who can assist with safe air conditioning, cleaning, and maintenance. We also help contractors find work and join discussions in our community where professionals and homeowners exchange practical tips and experiences.